Hello everybody, this is my overview for my project to showcase my package for you. There's a lot of work being to this package, but it's not like the best, so I hope you like it. First I need to mention that this package was intended was being designed from top down view, so it's probably recommended that you use it for top-down view, but you can also feel free to use it for third person and first person. But I mainly designed it analytically to work for top-down view. So each section of this environment is designed to be for a certain purpose. So we have here is like the mech tunnel, flying mech tunnel or flying robot tunnel. What you have here also is the storage system tunnel. And then we have the human corridor, and we have of course the human bath and walkable places. And finally we have the labs tunnel section. I try to organize the assets bag as much as I can, and as you can see I have each section in the folder. The image folder has so many sections. The material folder also. I only used portion of the assets designed for this package in the demo, so there's a lot to do with it than I did. For the grid, when I designed this package, the grid in Blender was 7 meter for each main square. The main building block of this environment is 40 meter, and around it you can set all the pieces, stick all the pieces. Please note that I included the exact grid measurement in the project description. I used 3 base color texture to texture most of the package. So most of the package is done using these 3 textures. I have color variation for the texture. So you can literally just replace the material. And please note that some object is consisted of multiple material. I try to place the pivot point where it makes sense, and most of the objects are designed to fit the grid, however not everything. So the conversion section, like the conversion lab section, you need to stick it in a certain way. You need to stick the pivot point in a certain way, and you have to press V to snap to vertices and align it. And then when you want to duplicate it, you literally just drag duplicate, alt drag, and press V to stick it to the pivot point and replace it with other pieces. I included 2 skeletal meshes, but only the rig, without animation or control rig. So this is the package. I hope you like it. I hope you find it very useful, and please tell me if you have any question down below in the comment, or you can contact me via Discord or email. I'll leave the information, my contact information down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.